5-axis stone CNC saw jet HKNC-450J. Automatic head rotation from 0 to 360. The cutting head tilts from 0 to 65. Tool setting point. Touch probe. Camera position. Operation panel. Equipped with a 21.5-inch color touchscreen. Optional safety door blocks, dust and splashes to ensure operator safety. The milling cutter specializes in stone milling, shaping, precision carving, and hole drilling, enabling efficient complex processes. Water jet cutting head is ideal for cutting inlays on porcelain, stone, marble, and granite. CNC saw is used for cutting stone slabs, countertops, and sinks, blade profiling, engraving, and more.